Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to download your Figma presentation as PDF. Right, so the very first thing you need to do is to go right there to the top icon, the icon at the top left. Alright, you click on that and then you navigate to file and then you get to export all slides as PDF. Alright, you select the quality of the PDF, and you also select the color profile as well, sRGB, okay, or display P3. I don't really know what this is, okay, but I'm going to select sRGB because this is actually the color profile that I'm used to, and then I'm going to click on export. Okay, yes, and this basically takes you down to the location where you can be able to save your Figma presentation slides as PDF. Okay, yes. That's it, guys. So currently at this very moment, there's no possibility, or I have not been able to figure out a way to save each of the slides as to download each slide. All right, there's no possibility to actually do this yet. All right, I'm still going to try to figure this out, and once I find the way around this, I'm going to update you guys as well. All right, guys, cheers, thank you very much.